Israeli military-like forces in 1948, and others, and some people stayed. Yeah, there's at least 1 million Israeli-Palestinian citizenships. To show you how huge the divide is, there's a sizable movement among Jewish Israelis to expel all Israeli Palestinians and deprive them, like revoke their citizenship and expel them out of the country. I mean, it's just like horrifying.
But you don't know how it came about that some got to stay and others got expelled?
Well, some stayed because they just stayed, and others were actually, I believe, forced out, you know, by the nascent Israeli military forces in 1948. Ariel Sharon, I remember reading, was part of with a unit where they actually murdered people in a Palestinian Arab village at that time. So I'm sure you can, even just going to Wikipedia, you can find info on that. Thanks.